Continuing through our consciousness resonance response data, adding shared experience, duration, and revelation information. We then print success messages with method description and response message. But in the else block for failed communications, we encounter a powerful formatting technique that we haven't talked about yet. Print F, quote, probability was, our curly braces success probability, the colon, the dot, 1, and a percent sign, and then that all closes out. So we've talked about the D and we've talked about the F, but now we have a percent sign here in this precision formatting. This is demonstrating the percent format specifier in F strings, automatically converting decimal values to readable percentage displays for professional user-friendly data presentation. So success probability contains a decimal, like it could be 0.347, representing 34.7% chance. The colon dot 1% applies percentage formatting with one decimal place precision. The percent formatter automatically multiplies the decimal by 100. 0.347 times 100 equals 34.7. Rounds to one decimal place, 34.7. Adds the percentage symbol, 34.7%. So our F string here will transform the 0.347 into the readable 34.7%. Here we're creating professional data presentation for probability and success rate displays. Instead of showing confusing decimals like probability was 0.347, users see clear percentages like probability was 34.7%. It makes a big difference. The syntax pattern with the colon, the dot, the 1, and the percent sign gives you precision control. If we had 0.0%, it would show 35% with no decimal places. 0.1% shows it with one decimal place. 0.2 would show it with two decimal places.